Sabi ko ni Mar Rojas na federalism will be bad for the Philippines because there will be double taxation. Do you agree with this?
Pakakurne naman ni Mar. Even now there is double taxation, there is the local tax and the national tax. Ano pa naman si Mar? Is he or is he not a student of government?
Sir, he also said that it's just an excuse for local government units to ask for more resources.
It's an excuse for them to hang on to power. Imperial Manila. Always been there in one single office. They're running the Philippines like an imperial.
Sir, kasi sabi ni Po and Mar na the present system can work if you just fix it a bit. Do you agree with this or you think it's impossible to fix?
You have to, it's either you start it, you do not start it at all. Ganon yan. You have to start at 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pero sir, do you think the unitary system is impossible
It
to
sucks.
later?
It sucks.
Guys.
So ano comment niyo po sa comics ni Mar Rojas po?
Hindi ako napapasa ng comics. Time magazine ako. Fortune.